the sooner you just do it and you have a couple videos that you don't love, you get
Yeah.
over it. Financially, there should be nothing prohibiting you. It's
Yeah.
just you got to get out of your own way and do it.
If somebody is just starting out, um, and they don't know where to start, they don't have the budget to start with Agent on Tube, they just want to kind of like start slow, start on their own, but they're very confused. They have all these limiting beliefs. I don't look good. Who's going to listen to me? Maybe my camera isn't good. I just have a phone. What would be your recommendation for somebody that wants to start creating content but doesn't know where to start?
Yeah, I would just say just start doing it. You can just hold your phone up and record a video. It,
Yeah.
like you said, it doesn't have to be professional quality. It's about the message and the value that you bring. And
Yeah.
I mean, if you think about Reels and TikTok and all the video that ever started on social media before YouTube really got huge, that's really what it was, right? Is just people videoing some type of message, some type of value add that they wanted to provide. And we didn't have big studios, right? So just do it.
Hmm.
I mean, I think the sooner you just do it and you have a couple videos that you don't love, you get
Yeah.
over it, right? You just get past it and now you think, "Okay, well next time I'm going to do it this way." You learn as you go or you fail forward, right? And I think what we don't want to do is just not get off the dime and start. You
Yeah.
want to fail forward and you want to fail forward fast. So
Yeah.
do it, do a lot of it because you will get better quicker. And again, all of it's free. I mean, you have a phone anyway. So that doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to buy a fancy mic. You can use your phone.
True.
It's just like I
True.
said, if you get to that point where now you want to do a little bit different, a tripod and a mic, you have less than $100 into this thing, right? It's so easy. And the teleprompter app
Absolutely.
free. There's just so much stuff out there that financially there should be nothing prohibiting you. It's
Yeah.
just you got to get out of your own way and do it.